Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Guyanese stuff. We have new videos every week. Hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Enjoy! So let's begin by seasoning our prawns. We'll use lime, mix it up, add some black pepper, about a teaspoon of black pepper. We'll now add some salt, about another teaspoon of salt. Then add like about a tablespoon of ground garlic. I would normally have my garlic grated, grounded and already in the fridge. Now let's season our chicken with salt and black pepper. And add a next tablespoon of ground garlic. Let's chip up one whole carrot. One whole medium onion, chopped to small slices. Set aside. Now we have about 3 stems of broccoli chopped up. I'm using half of a bell pepper or sweet pepper. Now let's cook our prawns and chicken. We'll begin by cooking our prawns. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add our prawns. Allow this to fry on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Set aside. Add another 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add your chicken. Cook on each side for about 4.5 minutes. Then we'll set this aside. Let's fry our egg. Here we have about 4 eggs. Fried 1 flat egg. After it's done frying, we'll cut it into strips, which we'll add to the fried rice almost to the ending. Here I'm gonna be cutting it very thin, like strips. Put this in a bowl and set it aside. Now let's begin to cook our vegetables. Saute our vegetables. About 3 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil. Let's saute our onions. Then allow this to get a little translucent. And then we'll add our other vegetables. This here goes the carrots, the broccolis, let's just stir this up a little. Now we'll add our green peas, our bell pepper. Let's stir this up. Add our meat. Here goes the prawns, chicken, and we'll mix this up. Now let's add our overnight rice. begin to mix this up and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Then begin to add our last set of ingredients. Here we're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of Chinese sauce. You can use soy sauce in this case if you don't have Chinese sauce. Then we'll mix this up, add some scallions. I normally would add the egg last like now because I don't want the Chinese sauce color to mix with the egg. And we'll just top it up with some salt and black pepper. And that's it. Here we have chicken and prawns fried rice, Guyanese style with a Chinese taste. Hope you guys like that recipe. Show your support by clicking like and subscribe. You'll be notified whenever we post a new video every week. Please do enjoy the other videos on our channel. Have fun. Until next time.